Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I just love this new pathway that I have up to our home. It is so nice to be able to walk out in my bare feet and not worry about getting mud or splinters. It's a 8-foot wooden pathway from TONAHUTU. This is made with pressurized cedar wood. It smells so good when you take it out of the package, just like walking through the forest. I love that it is anti-slip with these grooves on it, which is really nice because we do get a lot of rain in the area that we live in. This is weather resistant, and I am going to stain it per the manufacturer's recommendation for rainy areas. But until we get into the rainy season, I'm going to enjoy it the way it is because it has such a beautiful natural look to it. I did put cardboard underneath it to discourage the grass from growing up between the slats. This is really durably made, not just with the wood, but also with the heavy duty cords and the spacers. They're aging resistant. They just look so good, and I'm just delighted with how it has freshened up the look around our home with a very little effort on my part. I really like this wooden pathway. I think it looks amazing in our yard, and that's our point of view.